Earth is full of wild places that humans have yet to fully explore. In some parts of the planet, nature is so powerful and unforgiving that it's simply impossible to survive without being well prepared. Welcome back, everyone. Here, the world's biggest river snakes through a wild, untamed world where anything can happen. This is the place where there are more species of animals than anywhere else on the planet. It is home to more than half of all known animal species. This ancient jungle has been around for millions of years. It's one of the oldest ecosystems on Earth and the largest tropical rainforest on the planet. But how much do you know about this amazing place? Today, we will be heading deep into the Amazon to uncover what secrets lie within. While this may look like any normal day at the office for the animals that live here, it is not just your typical 9 to 5. We LOC everything from monkeys having snowball fights to jaguars taking down their prey. But before we begin our journey, make sure you hit that like button. If you love all things wild, then subscribe and never miss a thing. So grab your walking boots, because today we are going wild in the Amazon. A vast expanse of dense forest covers everything in sight. Winding rivers carve through the landscape. Magnificent waterfalls plummet to the ground below. And towering trees reach up to the sky above. This is the Amazon rain. What better place to start our adventure? High above us, a flock of brightly colored birds take flight. These are red-billed. They're known for their distinctive curved beaks and their ability to mimic other birds' calls. Then we catch a glimpse of a tiny monkey swinging through the trees. This little guy is known as a golden lion. These endangered primates are critically endangered due to habitat loss. And although they were once found across South America, they now only exist in fragmented populations. As we continue on our journey, we spot something even cuter, a sloth hanging upside down in a tree. These adorable creatures move incredibly slowly. In fact, they're the slowest mammals in the world. Their metabolism is so slow that they can go for weeks without needing to move. Now let's see if we can spot any predators lurking in the shadows. The Amazon is home to some of the world's most feared predators, including jaguars, anacondas, and electric eels. We'll have to keep our eyes peeled if we want to avoid becoming prey ourselves. As we venture deeper into the jungle, we start to hear strange sounds all around us. The Amazon is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, and many of its inhabitants are still unknown to science. We may be in for a big surprise when we finally spot one of these elusive creatures. But first, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the Amazon. From its towering trees to its winding rivers, this ancient ecosystem is truly one of a kind. The Amazon is home to over 60,000 species of plants and animals, as well as a vast array of indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with the rainforest for centuries. We spot a troop of squirrel monkeys leaping deftly through the trees. These playful creatures are known for their acrobatic abilities and their loud, high-pitched squeals. Moving further along, we come across a group of emperor. These small monkeys have large round heads and short stubby tails. They're often seen leaping between branches in groups. The Amazon is home to a variety of monkeys, including capuchin monkeys. These intelligent primates are known for their problem-solving abilities and their mischievous nature. They're often seen foraging for food or playing with each other in the trees. Another type of monkey we might encounter is the woolly monkey. These long-haired primates are social creatures who live in groups of up to 15 individuals. They're known for their distinctive woolly coats and their loud, raucous calls. Now let us take a break from the monkeys and look at some of the other animals that call the Amazon home. We might spot a tapir browsing on vegetation near a riverbank. Tapirs are large, herbivorous mammals with prehensile lips. They're often seen swimming or wallowing in the mud. We could also see a giant anteater using its long, sticky tongue to slurp up ants and termites. Giant anteaters are solitary creatures who spend most of their time searching for food. Another creature we might encounter is an armadillo. These mammals are known for their bony armor and their ability to roll into a ball when threatened. They're often seen scurrying along the forest floor in search of food. And let's not forget about the capybaras, the world's largest rodent. These semi-aquatic creatures are often seen lounging on riverbanks or swimming in the water. They're herbivores who feed on aquatic plants and grasses. We could also spot a peccary rooting around in the underbrush. Peccaries are pig-like mammals who typically live in groups. They're omnivores and will eat a variety of plant and animal matter. Of course, no trip to the Amazon would be complete without seeing a These colorful birds are known for their large, distinctive bills, which they use for a variety of purposes, including attracting mates and defending their territory. We might also spot a macaw, a parrot, or a heron. These birds are often seen perched on tree branches or soaring through the skies. The Amazon is also home to a variety of raptors, including hawks, eagles, and falcons. These birds of prey are perfectly adapted for hunting and are often seen soaring high above the trees in search of prey. Amongst the cacophony of sound from the birds, we can hear the roar of another predator, the jaguar. Jaguars are the third largest cat in the world and are perfectly adapted for life in the jungle. They're skilled hunters who often prey on deer, monkeys, and tapirs. We might be lucky enough to catch a glimpse of one of these elusive cats as it stalks its prey. Another predator we could encounter is the margay. This medium-sized wild cat is a skilled climber and is often seen hunting in trees. It typically preys on birds, rodents, and reptiles. But don't forget about the smaller predators, too. There are many species of snake in the Amazon, including the deadly viper. Snakes are cold-blooded reptiles who are often feared by humans. However, they play an important role in the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations. The Amazon is also home to a variety of amphibians, including frogs. The red-eyed tree frog is a small, colorful frog that's often seen perched on leaves. Its bright red eyes serve as a warning to potential predators. Another type of frog we might encounter is the poison dart frog. These tiny frogs are brightly colored and secrete a poison that can be deadly to humans. Despite their small size, poison dart frogs are actually very toxic and should not be handled. As we make our way through the jungle, we'll likely encounter some other reptiles too. Iguanas are often seen basking in the sun, while caiman lizards lurk in the water waiting to ambush their prey. Caimans are one of the most feared predators in the Amazon, and for good reason. They're powerful reptiles who often target large mammals such as capybara and tapirs. Now that we've seen some of the predators that inhabit the Amazon, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the rainforest itself. The Amazon is home to a vast array of plants and animals, but it's also one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. From the towering trees to the delicate flowers, every part of the Amazon rainforest is teeming with life. As we continue on our journey, we'll likely come across some more examples of this incredible biodiversity. Giant trees tower over us, their branches forming a thick canopy above. The air is filled with the sounds of birds and insects, and as we look down, we'll likely see a carpet of leaves covering the forest floor. We might also spot some unusual plant life, such as strange and beautiful flowers and intricate fungi. The Amazon rainforest is truly a magical place, and we've only scratched the surface of its wonders. From the majestic jaguars to the colorful toucans, this ancient ecosystem is home to some of the most incredible creatures on Earth. Thanks for joining us on our journey into the heart of the Amazon. We hope you enjoyed our glimpse into this wild and untamed world. But our adventures are far from over. Stay tuned for more wild encounters. And do you want to forget to hit that like button if you love all things wild? See you next time.